Hello there, and welcome back to Technoventures episode 6, and this is going to be the unboxing part of our gaming mouse, the collaboration from ROG and Gundam. Here we have our mice. It's still wrapped in plastic, so everything you see from here will be first-hand unboxing experience. I'm going to peel the plastic off just to see more of the box and describe it to you guys. Well, the plastic looks nice because it has all these ROG logos around it. It's so sad that I have to tear them apart. So here we have our box. This is the ROG Strix Impact II Gundam LTD optical gaming mouse from the ROG and Gundam collaboration. Again, a really nice looking box. Here at the front, the Gundam mobile suit, lettering, and background. They really did great here for the text and logos. It's like a hologram. It shines through my eyes. Through my eyes. Wow. Here we have our B sides of our box. Still good looking. And at the back part, we have the ROG and Gundam mobile suit collab here at the top. Again, this is the ROG Strix Impact II Gundam LTD optical gaming mouse. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So we have a plastic here at the very top. Let's be very careful because I really like the box and I don't want to damage it.
A few moments later.
There we go. Let's see our mouse. Let's go. Oh, I got it backwards, I think. Here's what's inside of our box. An ROG Strix Impact II quick start guide, our warranty card, and this is our cable, and at the back side we have our mouse. Take a look at that. How do we take this out? Don't want to destroy. There we go. It's a really cool looking color for our cable. It's not your typical black colored gray. It's kind of refreshing. How do I take the mouse out without destroying the boxes? Oh, we have... I think we can push this out. No. Yes. Hello. Yes. No. It's like I'm building a gunpla right here. You know how hard this is to build a gunpla. There we go. There we go.
Yeah, boy.
There we go. There we go. Just a little more. And then we have our mice. Oh. I think I found a way. I'm gonna slowly lift the top part out and slowly slide the mouse out, and if it works, I hope it works. It's working. Hey, we have our mouse out. We have our left and right buttons. Our mouse wheel feels pretty premium. We have our matte finished, heavy on blue, lots of blue over here, and white, red finishes. Yellow parts is over at our mouse wheel. And we have the DPI selector here at the very bottom of our mouse. Take a look at that, guys. ROG Gundam King Mouse. Let's take the plastic out. Let's go and have a better look at our bottom. That's pretty nice for our mouse fits. ROG logo right here. Again, this is the ROG Strix Impact II Gundam LTD optical gaming mouse. So that's it for this video, guys. This is only the unboxing part of the videos. I know it feels like the videos is rushed. That's because it is. You know why? Well, there is only one reason why. Because I want to hurry up and build and use a PC. So I want to experience it. Guys, I've been looking forward for this PC parts for a very long time now. When it was first released and its initial release, they only said that it is only available in Japan, but boom, ROG Philippines. They brought the Gundam ROG collaboration over here. You don't know how, guys, how happy I am, guys, about that news. So again, that's it for this video. This is the part 2 of the unboxing series of the ROG and Gundam collaboration PC parts. I've still lot of unboxings to do, and stay tuned. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe. And if you have any questions and if you have any tips, you can comment down below and I will try to leave you guys a reply. So that's it. See you guys in my next video.